Hello and welcome to this quick tips video, which is about creating shared copies. So shared copies allow MIDI events to be linked to each other in a way which means that when you edit one, all of them are edited in the same way. This can be really useful when you're trying to build up an arrangement, and particularly when you know that you want a certain idea in a certain place in the arrangement, but maybe you're not sure what that idea is yet, or you think, I'm going to want to change that later on. So let's take a look at how you make them. So I've got a bass part here. I'm just going to click that and then do Command K on the Mac. It's Control K on Windows. And we get the repeat events dialog box comes up. I'll pick 3 because that's fine. And the important thing is this shared copies. That needs to be ticked. And once you do that, we'll click OK. And you can see the equal sign appears at the top right of each one. Any edit we make to any of these is reflected in all the others. So I'm going to click this first one. I'm going to delete the notes in bar 2. And you'll see straight away, as soon as I delete them, all of them have the same thing happen to them. And it's also true if I edit another one. So it's not just the first one, it's all of them. So I'm just going to delete those top notes, and you can see there, we're all good. Now, what happens when you want to unlink them? Well, that's a useful thing, because sometimes you think, you know what, I want this one to be special. I want to do something separate with this. This is going to be a variation. It's dead straightforward. So just click the one you want. Under Edit, go to Functions, and then Convert to Real Copy. The equal sign disappears, and now we can do whatever we want with this. So in fact, let's just delete all the notes in it, just to make it nice and easy. So you can see there, this one is totally separate from those. Now, you are supposed to be able to do this by dragging. So if I just undo and go back to where the video started, here's our part, which is unlinked. Now, you're supposed to be able to do this by holding down the Option or Alt key and then Shift and then dragging. But certainly on my Mac and on my PC, the default preferences were set in a way which stops this from working. So if you want to do it that way, I'll show you how to do it. So it's no longer a quick tip. It's a slightly longer tip again. So we'll go to Preferences. And under Editing, you get Tool Modifiers. And the thing that you need is under the Select tool is you need to clear Set Position, because Set Position is doing that and it seems to override it. So I'm just going to click that one there, and then you assign nothing to it. See, that's now on None. And now if I, in this case on the Mac, Option drag or Alt drag on the PC, now you can see we get the plus, but most importantly, they are shared copies. So if you want to work that way rather than the repeat dialog, that's the way, and that makes more sense to me, because standard Alt or Option dragging makes a copy, and Shift is like a modifier of that, and that makes a shared copy. So you see now these two are linked, etc. As ever, hope you found that useful, and if you have, please like, subscribe, etc. And we'll see you again soon for more music tech tuition.